Open your Adobe Premiere and select your video, then create your project. Click on sequence and go to settings and make sure the frame size 9:16. Then right click on the layer in timeline and unlink the layer. And as you click unlink, तो ये आपकी layer audio और video को separate कर देगा. Then you need to find out the point in your video where you can edit and cut the frame, so you can move each layer separately. Now we need to overlap layers. Then we can zoom it, और zoom करने के बाद आप check कर सकते हैं easily how we can edit. And click on Bazier tool to create the mask on the mirror. Before creating mask, must click on the clock button as you can see on the left navigation. Now after complete your editing, check कर सकते हैं अपनी वीडियो को and make sure your video setting before exporting.